You're listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.
Does this change my effective loan ceiling, my Jeonse search strategy, or the land value calculus for any regional exposure I hold? It's Wednesday, June 24th. Let's look at what's happening in Korea's property market.
We are tracking a major structural shift today, driven by the Lee Jae-myung administration's owner-occupier policy.
Right, the one that removes the multi-property joints incentives.
Exactly, and we are treating this strictly as factual policy analysis, without taking any political sides.
Yeah, we're just looking at how it removes those traditional financial incentives for multi-property owners.
Right, because it basically requires actual residence for single home ownership now, so the data is shifting fast.
84% of Gwangmyeong jeans listings fell amidst a 7.23% price increase.
And 71.6% of Guri listings dropped alongside a 4.38% local price bump.
NH Bank reduced non-metropolitan mortgage terms to 30 years.
NH Bank raised rates by 20 basis points.
KB Kookmin Bank restricts MCI and MCG enrollment starting June 26.
11.05% of Seoul's aggregate apartment loan dependency index fell year-on-year.
Gangnam buyers maintain a 29.44 loan-to-purchase ratio.
Gyeonggi buyers average a highly leveraged 63.02 loan dependency index.
DSR-exempt launches 933 Bundang First Village units, backed by a 1.3% policy financing rate.
Samsung and SK Hynix confirmed a 300 trillion won, or $196 billion investment for a Gwangju cluster.
Retail investors bought 8.5 trillion won, or $5.5 billion as the KOSPI crashed 10%.
Right.
If Jeonse supply vanishes while bank/loan ceilings, aren't mid-market buyers trapped in a tightening financial vice?
Well, the KB MCI and MCG restriction flagged earlier activates in June rather than December, signaling household credit volume was running above the regulator's H2 comfort zone already. And, the Jeonse collapse in commuter Gyeonggi cities creates a dual squeeze that historically precedes either a forced purchase surge or demand outflow to lower regulated markets. Finally, the 300 trillion won, or $196 billion Gwangju cluster represents a profound regional land value catalyst, demanding investors track the Gangnam-Gwangju corridor immediately.
So you have to ask yourself, will the upcoming DL-ENC subscription competition ratio expose a massive reservoir of latent buyer demand despite tightening credit and the recent KOSPI shock? That's today's AI PRISM, real estate. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI PRISM is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.